I, real quick, was literally just filming this at the door. The Amazon guy just came up and dropped off a package. November. Whoop. Hello. Hi. It was so embarrassing. Anyway, here, sis, you don't have to sit here. It is officially November. Sister. It is officially halfway through November. So we have a lot going on. It's about a month and a half until Kobe turns 1, which I literally cannot believe. I cannot believe it, Nugget. How did we get here? How did we get here? Must have blinked, sister. Anyway, we have that coming up. It's my birthday at the end of the month. We have 4 Thanksgivings this year. 2 Friendsgivings and then like 2 separate family ones. Tonight is one of 4 Thanksgivings. Come here, come sit with me. She wants my phone in the worst way. Yes, you do. Look, you see yourself in your cutie new overalls? Anyway, we just ran out to the grocery store and picked up the things that we need to make our sweet potato casserole, which I kind of feel bad about. I like to make the sweet potato casserole. I've made it before. It's just easy and it's good. But I feel bad because she's eating now and we don't give her sugar. So I feel like bad that I picked something that is made with sugar anyway, because it's got like the marshmallows and the brown sugar. But you'll forgive me, right, Nugget? I'll bring you some other goodies. The grocery store was also chaotic. And of course, like everybody loves Kobe. Yeah, so we gotta get to making that sweet potato casserole and we'll see what else we get into. We would love if you spent a couple of days with us. Okay, Kobe wants to say hi. Kobe wants to say hi. Oh, ooh, what do you want to say? You'll kick your nugget feet? Woo, woo, woo! Kick your nugget feet! Kick your nugget feet! What do you want to tell them? Sister, you are too cute to handle. Joel's back on his greenhouse project. You're so precious. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but we're out for a windy morning family walk. Hey, baby.
Buy bigger jackets, huh?
Did you catch a leaf? It just landed there?
We were walking across the road at like...
Your favorite!
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain.
This leaf is as big as your head. It's bigger!
And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now,
nature!
there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on won't be alone.
Are any of these rocks like slippery?
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time.
That was real wild of me to do with your phone without a case.
Thanks. I think it was worse up there where there was all the leaves.
Okay. It's so windy now, and my phone died. I don't even know if you can hear me. I just have two things. Does anybody else, when they're walking out in nature, think if there's an apocalypse, where would we build our house? We just found the spot. Can't tell you where it's at.
After we take out all the local armories.
The other thing, show them your battle wound from last night. Friendsgiving was chaotic but so fun. And Joel,
Us playing roughhousing a lot with their friends.
Joel was the fun guy last night.
Stand back up so we can knock you back down.
It's your daddy, the fun guy. She's
Are you the drunk nugget?
literally, oh, your leaf baby! Here you go. You fell asleep, it's okay. The most random grocery order. Say hi, Trevor. Hello from many days later. It is now Friday. I've been so bad at vlogging this time. I don't even honestly know what this vlog is gonna be like, but hopefully it's still fun. We've had a pretty chill week. We have our second of 4 Thanksgivings at Nan and Pop's with your cousins. So that should be fun. Toby's kind of like already in her outfit with her cutie little shoes and everything. I still need to get a shower and figure out what I'm wearing. We just got back from the grocery store. So for our first Thanksgiving, that was at our friend's house. That was also, they had just moved into their house. So I wanted to for sure get her a plant as like, you know, hosting and a little housewarming. But anyway, so I was like, this is just too cute. Like, why not do it for everyone? I got 2 more of these Christmas cutie cactuses. Cutie cactuses. Anyway, tonight on the menu for us to make is another sweet potato casserole and also green bean casserole. And I literally have just been letting like my pile of Thanksgiving stuff like live right there because, you know, our house is tiny and we're out of space. Yes. Cutie pie. Cutie pie. Anyway, sorry this vlog is so random. Let me just stop blabbing. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I think it's time for a second coffee. Did you have such a good nap? Guess who's here? Do you see your daddy up there? Here he comes. Hey, girl. You having fun? This looks so good.